All right, you guys, now we're on page 31 in our student books. And I already know it's going to go slow, so I won't really be able to point to the equations as we go along. So I'll just go slow and you can follow along. And it's just the same as page 30, but the numbers are a little bit bigger. So at the top, number 6. You see in number 6, it says the green vine is 99 feet. The yellow vine is 21 feet. How long together? Together means we're adding. So the equation would be 99 plus 21. So as we start in the number line, 99 is bigger. Put it on the number line first, 99. Now we're adding 21. And if I'm trying to make a 10, the first thing I'll do is just add the 1 part of it. 99 plus 1 is 100. So then I just add 20 more, 2 more hops of 10. So 99 plus 1 is 100, plus 10 is 110, plus 10 is 120. So we added our 21. The answer is 120. In your book, you should have a number line with hops and an equation. So this is just a strategy that we're going to keep practicing, and then there'll be a new strategy. So you'll have to find one that you think works best for you. Maybe this is it. Number 7. Green vine is 98 feet. Yellow vine is 22 feet. How long together? Together means adding. So the equation is 98 plus 22. 98 is bigger, so it goes on the line first. So starting at 98, if I'm adding 22, I know I should add the 2 first, because I know the strategy of making a 10 is 8 plus 2 equals 10, equals going up to the next 10. 98 plus 2 is 100, because I know that's the 8 and 2 make the next 10. After that, I just add 20 more. So a hop of 10, a hop of 10, 98 to 100, 110, 120. The answer is 120. So I just add hops along the number line to show what I'm adding on. But if I can add the 1s first to make a 10, it just makes it easier to make the hops. All righty. So if you are getting behind, you can pause at any time. But other than that, we're on number 8, which is the last regular problem we're doing. So for number 8, the green vine is 110 feet. The yellow vine is 45 feet. And the purple vine is 5 feet. How long together? Together means adding. But now they made things a little tricky because they did 3 numbers. I still see a place where I can make a 10 to make it easier. So I can think in my head, 45 plus 5 equals 50. Because if I add the 1s, 5 plus 5 equals 10. So if I think in my head, 45 plus 5 more equals 50, then all I have to do on the number line is 110 plus 50 more. So that's what I did. So I just already said in my head, I'm not going to worry about the 45 and then the 5. I'll just know that it's 50, and that's how many I'll add on. So my number line is at 110. And I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 more. And I stopped at 160. So that's what you should have too. So if you started at 110 and hopped 50 more with 5 10s, you'll be at 160, and that is the answer. That's what I put on the line. So challenge, those were pretty challenging, really, as they already were. The challenge on 9 and 10 is they're not asking about together anymore. They're changing the question on you. So you could stop at number 8 if you wanted to, but I would prefer if you kept going and did the challenge. So I'll read number 9, and we'll think about what it's asking. Number 9, challenge. Jack has 2 vines. The green vine is 60 feet long. The yellow vine is 40 feet long. How much longer is the green vine? When they say how much longer, it's not adding anymore. It's subtracting. But instead of writing the subtraction problem, I'm just going to use my number line and make hops. So how much longer is 60 than 40? So I put 40 on the line and I put 60 on the line. And my job was to figure out how many hops to get from 40 to 60. So I made one hop of 10 and got to 50, and one more hop of 10 to get to 60, so that my two hops are a 10 and a 10. 10 plus 10 is 20. So that means my answer is 20. That's how much further, that's the distance between the 40 and the 60 was 20. So that's my answer. Last one, number 10. Jack has two vines. The green vine is 95 feet long. The yellow vine is 60 feet long. How much longer is the green vine? So again, my job is to start at 60 and see how many hops it takes to get to 95. So I hopped 10 to 70, another 10 to get to 80, another 10 to get to 90, and 5 more to get to 95. When I added my hops together, the answer is 35. And that's what I put on the line. So all the problems are using a number line, but different things are asking you to do with it. But using a number line might be a strategy that works for you. So on your paper, I want you to use a number line and make sure you write your answer. So that is all for today. And again, you can go back and watch it again if it helps. And always think about how making tens and adding tens can help you out with your math. All right, that is it for today.